we'll guide you through how to animate blinking in Krita. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for tutorials on Krita animation because they want an easy way to start creating simple motion without complex tools. Open Krita on your computer and wait until the program fully loads. Click File then New to open the document setup window. Set the canvas size according to your needs and click Create to continue. Next, click Window, then Workspace, and choose Animation to switch into an animation layout. Make sure the timeline panel is visible at the bottom of the screen. If it is not, go to Settings, then Dockers, and enable Timeline from the list. Also, enable the Animation Docker from the same Dockers menu so all animation tools are available. Go to the Layers panel and click Add Layer. Choose Paint Layer and rename it to Face. Draw a simple face with open eyes on this layer. Go to the Timeline panel and right-click on Frame 0. Then select Create Blank Frame to begin animating. This first frame represents the eye's open position. Move to Frame 1, right-click, and choose Create Blank Frame. Draw the eyes slightly closing to show the start of the blink. Move to Frame 2 and create another blank frame. Then draw the eyes almost closed. Move to Frame 3, create a blank frame, and draw the eyes fully closed. Move to Frame 4, create another blank frame, and draw the eyes opening again. Ensure each frame is spaced evenly so the motion appears natural and consistent during playback. You can adjust timing by dragging frame lengths in the timeline if needed. Use simple strokes and keep the drawing consistent across frames to avoid flickering or unwanted changes in shape. Play the animation using the playback controls to preview the blinking effect and confirm it loops smoothly. If something looks off, go back to the specific frame and redraw the eyes slightly until the transition feels smooth and natural for viewers watching the animation in real time inside Krita without issues occurring.